All right, if you're doing ball joints on a T100, just thought I'd make this video to kind of help you out here. Might be common sense, maybe you already do it, but this is a trick. So get your bottle jack out from, it's like part of the tire kit, you know, with your vehicle or whatever, with your handle, and place it in between the upper and lower control arms. If you have a stuck upper ball joint, that was pretty well seized on there. And you could get in here prying all sorts of ways, but the easiest way is just get your bottle jack in between the upper and the lower arms. And I'll show you just for demonstration purposes. It's so easy. Just crank this up and it separates just like that. I mean, that's with my hand. If it's really stuck, you know, you're gonna need obviously the handle here. But that's this method. I mean, I swear to God, it would have saved me so much time if I would have known. So yeah, just next time you're doing ball joints and you got something stuck or whatever, just remember you can fit your little jack in there and do it that way. So, oh, and then another thing, just so you know, you're gonna want your jack. This is common sense too, but you're gonna want your jack somewhere other than on the A arm outside here. Probably already know, but all right, that's it. Hope this helps.